In today's video, we are going to show you how to properly manage loans in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then on the top corner, since we are going to deal with loans, I want you to click the Accounting tab. There are two options here, the Banking and the Accounting tools. From here, I want you to click the Chart of Accounts. Now, the Chart of Accounts here in Xero is the master list of all of the accounts your business uses to record financial transactions. Now, think of it as the backbone of your bookkeeping. Every invoice, every bill, every payment or bank transactions posts to one of these accounts. Now, we need to add an account. Here in Xero, accounts are generally classified into several types. You have the asset, liabilities, equity, prepayment, expenses, and a lot more. Since liabilities specifically represent what your business owes to others, obligations or debts that must be settled in the future since we are going to create a loan. So what we need to do is, of course, to choose liability. Now, you can put in a specific code for your loan. And then for the loan, let's say this is going to be a loan. Let's say in this instance, that's going to be our identifier. Okay? And then for the description, it's up to you. But for now, I'm going to make it something like a bit familiar by putting in this brief description. Now for the tax, it's up to you. If you wanted to have more control, there is a drop-down menu here. You can have a tax exempt, tax on purchases, or tax on sales. It's up to you if you wanted to have more control. You can also check all these options if you wanted. But for now, I'm not going to do that. And click the Save button. Once the loan account has been created, I want you to hover down and look for it. It's probably around at the bottom. Right here. Now click on that, and from here you can add more transactions along the way. You can put as many transactions as you can in this specific loan account. And basically that's how you manage loans here in Xero. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.